Hello friends, welcome to my channel and here I tell you about how can you make an actions on Google. Here we make a fact actions and now I tell you step by step guide how can you make and start. So I have a blog site and I also this refer in okay. Now first of all you need to these things you can see here everything like a IDE for making your fact action and the Chrome browser, github.com account and JavaScript. Okay, so after doing all thing and your step is to downloading the npm uh, the firebase tools using your node.js platform. Okay, so you need to install in node.js. You can find the tutorial from my blog also and you need to during this step. Okay, now I tell you how what type of things you can do. Just like first of all you need to add in project just like that, name everything like okay, so everything type of name you can give to your action. Okay, just take few minutes. Okay, now you good to go. You can see here there are various type of categories of actions you can make, but for the step we just skip this one because we want to make a action directly from a repository of fact action. Okay, you can give the name of your invocation to your Google action. Okay, so any type of names just like that you can give. Okay, now save this one. Now you need to visiting actions. Okay, so add your first action and here where is built-in intents, but you need to use the custom intent because we want to make an action from customly. Okay, now okay, everything is right, and now you need to create an agent. So this you can see here. Now click on create and okay, everything gone perfect. Now you need to visiting this one and restore from zip. Okay, so you need to downloading a fact action repository from Google repository website. Okay, so here I also provide the link of this one and you can also find. And if you want to download this type of base files in your PC directly using Git, so you can use this command also. Okay, and okay, you directly use this if you want to, but we want to tell you you need to directly use this. You can see there, and you need to download this one direct zip file. Okay, we have already downloaded this one, so we just to skip this step. Okay, you need to download, and after downloading there you just need to extracting this file. Okay, so extracting just like we extract this repository in any folder you want to make your action. Okay, you want to host your action and we want to okay just want to delete this one. Okay, we choose this folder. Okay, and okay, now extraction is complete. Now follow the steps, every steps after doing this all type of things. Now restore from zip. Okay, select file, and you can see we downloaded the file in this folder. Okay, this one. So you can see this one. Okay, facts about Google Zip. So you need to restore this one in your agent file. Okay, so typing restore. Okay, restoring. Now done. Okay, you can see here the 8 intents and 1 entity is already added with our agent. Okay, now save this one. Okay, we cannot save because we need to fulfillment URL, and you can see this step. How can you get the fulfillment URL? Okay, now after doing all things, you need to visiting command more. Okay, so directly open your editor, just like we have Visual Studio Code, so we just use Visual Studio Code, and okay, just open the folder, so you can directly see there. Okay, this one is our project, and directly open the function folder. Okay, that's it. Okay, you can see here function folder, and go on terminal. Okay, and the most important thing I want to tell you, doing all the step before doing this type of step. Okay, you need to everything just like they installed, and the most important thing is login. So you need to log in your Firebase account from executing this command. Okay, and your Google account automatically directed from this, and I already do this type of steps, so I does not want to waste your time by doing this one. Okay, you need to all step doing before making in Google action, because a Firebase and Google account is required. Now after doing all, you just now your project function directory. Okay, as you can see the directory here. Now you need to adding this command, and you can find the tutorial also here, just like that. You can see, and you can see here just like that. Okay, this is one useful for you indexing your Google project. Okay, so use the project ID, and you can find the project ID from here and from here also. So this one is your project ID. Copy, and okay, we have already logged in with our Firebase account, so no problem at all by adding this. But you need to adding all type of requirement by doing this step. Okay, so before doing this step, now you now able to, and now the most important thing is, again, you need to deploying all dependencies required in your account. So you need to executing this command in a command prompt. Okay, so you can see there, and you can find repositories like that. You can see there dependencies. If you already work on Node platform, no problem. If you have any knowledge or experience about Node, you can see here the dependencies required. So how can you download? So simple step is npm install. Okay, simple command, and always keep in mind you need to deploying all the installation of npm commands in function folder. Okay, you can find it. So this is the most important step. Just execute this one, and you now able to download everything. Now you can see there everything is downloaded properly, and like that everything just like that you can see. Okay, so every dependency is installed in our folder. Okay, you can see like that there are lots of dependencies available. Okay, and you can also see the project what everything. I tell everything for this one. Okay, no at all. Now you directing this one. Okay, so now the next step is deployment. Okay, deploy your firebase to this folder. Okay, to your firebase function folder. Okay, so firebase deploy. And it takes few seconds. Okay, after deployment of your function successfully, you can find the URL just like that you can see, and this URL is important for you for adding in your agent. Okay, this is a web URL. Okay, this is a webhook URL, and you need to visiting this one and this one. Okay, fulfillment URL. Here you need to copy pasting this URL. Okay, just like that, and now it's time to save everything. Just we want save. Okay, now we are good to go. Okay, we are good to go now. Okay, you can test this one if you want testing this one, and but before it we just now integrate. Okay, so you can find it and Google Assistant, because we want to make and Google Actions for Google Assistant, and you also can see the feature. There are lots of integration feature here like Amazon Alexa, Cisco, and everything just like that you can see. And we just now to integrate with the Google Assistant, and you can see here default welcome in different type, and here you also can add in your intent. Okay, so after doing everything, and the most important thing is to auto preview changes. So you need to enabling this one. Okay, you can see here for testing purpose. Okay, and you also can use this for welcome if you want to, just like we want to use this one, so you can use this one. Okay, now the time to testing this one. Okay, so test, and you can see there okay, and you can type or speak the same word you can find there, so you just need to enter this one.
Okay, let's get the test version of Mars Facts.
Welcome to Facts About Google. Do you want to hear about Google's history, or do you want to hear about its headquarters? Okay, here's a headquarters fact. Google has over 30 cafeterias in its main campus. Would you like to hear another fact? I hope you learned something interesting. Have a great day.
Okay, you can see there, we just test it out, and you can see that they are the sample code, and we need to implement this code in our according to our project. But for this step I just want to tell this one, and you now able to making a Google Actions and deploying your fact, and in the next video we just deploy our own facts in code just like you can find here. everything just like in a, and we just change everything here, and you can learn how can we use this one and what type of the things, and I explain everything in our next video. So waiting for our next video, and thanks for watching, and we definitely make a better understanding video which help you to making in Google Action. So thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel, and just come for next video. Thanks.